Respected teachers and my dear friends, a wonderful morning to one and all. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic Gandhi Jayanti. So, first of all, let me wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. My dear friends, today is 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day with great enthusiasm every year to pay tribute to the father of the nation as well as to remember his courageous deeds on the way of independent struggle for the country from the British rule. Gandhiji was a patriotic leader who led the country all through the Indian independence movement by following the method of non-violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated with huge preparations at the Rajghat or Gandhiji Samadhi in New Delhi by the government officials. This day is celebrated as a national festival by the students in schools and colleges all over the country. Students celebrate this occasion by playing drama, speech, essay writing, reciting poem, song and participating in quiz competition, drawing and painting competition, etc. based on the life of Mahatma Gandhi and his works. His most favorite devotional song, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, is also sung by the students in his memory. Mahatma Gandhi has been a role model and inspirational leader for many political leaders and the youths of the country. Other great leaders such as Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, James Lawson, etc. got inspiration from Mahatma Gandhi's theory of non-violence and peaceful way to fight for freedom and liberty. On this day, let's remember and honor his philosophy by treating people with respect and equality without any prejudices and not conform to violence even at our worst. Let's lead a life in peace by following the path of non-violence. Once again, let me wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind.